Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are making makhana or Phool makhana, which is also known as fox nuts or lotus seeds. It's a very healthy and nutritious recipe. It's more like a snack. You can make it in the evening and you can also have it on vrats or upwas. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, and for the recipe keep on watching. So guys, let's move over to the ingredients which I have already kept aside. You can see we are taking makhana or fox nuts. There is salt, 1 tablespoon of ghee, black pepper, dry mint powder or pudina powder, and then there is chaat masala. Today I am making pudina flavored makhana. So let's put a small kadai on flame. When the kadai is hot enough, we'll add the makhana. I'm adding the makhana. Fry them for a while. Fry them on a low flame so that the makhanas don't burn. Do check it in between. We'll fry them till the moisture is gone, and when you press the makhana, it will break in your palm. So my makhana was done, so let's put a pan on flame. Now I'm adding ghee. Now the ghee is hot. I'm adding the makhana now. Mix everything properly. Now I'm adding salt to taste, and then dry pudina powder or mint powder and chaat masala, black pepper powder. Mix everything nicely. Don't burn the spices. Toss them for a while so that all the spices are mixed evenly. Now turn off the flame. Your makhana is done. It's as simple as that. It's very healthy and nutritious. You can eat it in brats and as an evening snack. And if you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.